After a 6-month shelving, Zeppelin Ransomware has returned in late August of 2020, according to researchers at Juniper Threats Labs. The malware has changed a bit, however, and now uses an updated Trojan downloader in an effort to better hide its activities from AV programs. Zeppelin was initially discovered by SentinelOne security researcher Vitaly Kremez in 2019, primarily targeting IT and healthcare firms. Historically, it has been distributed using the ransomware as a service model. Zeppelin is a variant of another type of crypto-locking malware known as Burin ransomware, according to Juniper. Burin ransomware itself is a variation of another ransomware strain called Vega Locker. In the Zeppelin campaign from August of 2020, the Juniper researchers discovered that the operators of Zeppelin are using the same type of phishing techniques as in previous attacks. However, they have started using a new downloader that obscures the Trojan used in delivering the ransomware payload. According to Juniper, Zeppelin ransomware attacks begin with a victim receiving a phishing email disguised to look like an invoice of some sort. The phishing emails are delivered with a Microsoft Word attachment, which hides malicious VBA macros. Once the attachment is clicked on, macros are enabled and the attack starts, according to Juniper. The attached Word document contains Visual Basic scripts hidden within the text. This code is part of a technique that helps hide the Trojan that starts the infection process. Once macros are enabled, the text is extracted and written to a new file. When that document is closed, the second round of macros begins, and that further helps hide the attack. The second round of macro string then downloads a Trojan that installs the Zeppelin ransomware. Before it begins, the malware is programmed to sleep for 26 seconds to try to wait out dynamic analysis in an automated sandbox, and then runs the ransomware executable, according to the report. The unknown origins of the Zeppelin ransomware reboot. Juniper's report fails to shed light on the hackers behind Zeppelin. Still, the report does mention if an infected device has an IP address linked to Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, or Ukraine, the attack is immediately ended. This has caused many to speculate that the attacks may be from the region near those countries. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.